Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Edit apps. In today's video, I will show you how to import your first project files in Edit app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Edit app. Having opened up your Edit app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on this plus sign right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Gallery. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select your project files. I'm going to select this particular video file right here. Once you select your project files, go ahead and click on this check mark right here. Just like so. Allow it to load up, and then the project is going to be loaded up right here. Just like so. So go ahead and play the pure project files, and you have it right here. Then from here, you can start edit your project file. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to edit your video with Edit Apps by Meta, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.